Hello everyone, it's Jean from Inky Owl Studio. Today is the big day of the giveaway. I'm so excited. Before I get started though, I did want to just say how much I appreciate your kind words and your encouragement. And just knowing that I'm helping some people in some way is such a huge reward for me. And so when I hear about it, it just thrills my heart. So thank you for your comments and your participation and support. So today I have a little surprise. Am going to give away, of course, this tag book, but I have a second thing I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away a little goodie bag for the second drawer. So stay to the end to make sure you see the two names and see if it's your name. And if it is your name, please email me your address to my email address, which is down below in the description box, inkyowlstudio at gmail.com. So please email me all your details so I can get them out to you. So of course the first thing will be this lovely spring tag book. It's a little fun thing. And the second thing is going to be a little goodie bag for the second winner. And in this goodie bag, I'll just show you quickly what's in here. Some things are from my shop. I like this one here. This is like fabric. It's like 3 inches by about a yard. And this has like script writing and some music printed on it. And that should be fun to kind of work with. And I do sell picture wheels. So here's 4. And some of it's Tim Holtz paper. I sell these rusty paper clips, and this is a packet of about 20 standard size paper clips. And I think that's it. And so I'm also going to include these florals printed on muslin with my printer. Kind of nice fabric to put on tags. Some vintage lace, a couple of crocheted medallions. I have whale punch tabs, about 5 of those. Some bulb pins and these little tiny safety pins. These are kind of cute. And then I have some a napkin with this lovely rooster, and I think he's printed 4 times on this napkin. The farmer's market up there. In a glassine envelope. And 2 4x6 damask printed bags. And a piece of ephemera that I have created. So you can do journaling on here or whatever you would like to stick it into your journal. So that is going to be the second little gift I'm going to give away. Just something to play with, you know, some happy mail to kind of get your inspiration going there a little bit. So let's dip over to the computer and let's do our 2 draws. Okay, let's see who our 2 winners are going to be. So for the little tag spring book journal, I'm going to start and let's see who it is. It is RJ Fisher. You are the winner of the tag book. Congratulations. Yay. Anyways, and I hope you're making that fabric journal. Anyhow, I'm going to be sending that out to you, so you please get hold of me by emailing me your address, and I will get that sent out to you very soon. So now I want to do a new winner. And let's start again. Okay, so this is going to be for the little goodie pack, the little bag of little goodies here. And let's see who is the winner on that one. And it's Paulina Paperhouse. Oh, great, Paulina. So I'm going to send that out to you, these few little crafting goodies. And thank you both for, and please send me your email and, not your email, but email me your address and I'll send it out to you. So I really do appreciate you all contributing and I've so enjoyed doing this. And thanks a lot. And we will talk to you later. Bye.